Hi art friends, it's me, Mrs. Mertz. We're going to be drawing Patrick today from SpongeBob, so get those pencils ready. Here we go. So his big old belly is going to be here. He's going to have a head and some arms and legs coming out. So to start with, a great big circle with a little circle inside. And then we're going to draw another circle that kind of goes behind this first circle and draw another circle inside. And then from there, we're going to put a little eyebrow on here and another eyebrow on here that look kind of like rectangles. There we go. Then we're going to draw a line up. It's going to go under that eyebrow. And it's going to have a little twist to it, a little turn. And then I'm going to come under his eye, and it's going to be right under here, and I'm going to draw his big smiley face like so. And then it's going to drop in and come back around. And then it's going to come back up like that. And then inside we have a letter M. And then this is all colored in. Okay. I think my marker's running out. There we go. Then, kind of about right here on his mouth, I'm gonna make a little mark out here. Then, I'm gonna have this come down and back in. And then it's going to drop down to that little mark. Perfect. Then I'm going to come in just a little bit, draw a line coming out, and back down. There we go. And then I'm going to have this line right here, drop down like that. All right. Now I'm going to take about 2 finger widths right here. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw a great big Patrick belly, and it's going to come all the way up to his eyeball right there. And I know you're saying, hey, this looks weird, Mrs. Mertz. Okay, we'll give it a second. Then I'm going to draw another big starfish arm out here. There we go. Now, I'm going to draw his pants, because right now he doesn't have no pants on him, and that is just weird. So I'm going to draw a droopy line right here. I'm going to draw another droopy line right here. And then I'm going to make a little, even a more droopy line, this little starfish belly button. There we go. And now I'm going to put his pants on him. So his first leg comes down, droopy line, back straight up. Then we've got another leg here, goes down, droopy line, back up. And then we've got his little starfish legs, feet, like that. Little starfish legs and feet, like that. And then his swimming suit, shorts, whatever this is, comes around like that because he's got his little flower. There we go. He's got another little flower here. And it comes back around. There we go. And then we're going to put Patrick on the sand. So this is sand, here's water. And we have drawn Patrick. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.